Power doesn't shape character. It strips away the mask. It shows not what we say we are, but what we truly are. In 2024, UPSC asked us to reflect on this timeless truth. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but to test the character gives him power. Let's explore this through 8 compelling perspectives, each revealing how power becomes the true test of inner values. Number 1, adversity builds, power exposes. Struggles often bring out patience and humility, but power brings freedom, and how we use it unveils character. Example, Abraham Lincoln, the author of this quote, held a fractured nation together through courage and restraint. Number 2, power without restraint breeds arrogance. Unchecked authority corrodes ethics. Example, the Roman Empire fell not just because of invasions, but also fell to moral decay of those in command. Number 3, strength in humility, not in control. The truest leaders don't dominate, they serve. Example, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, despite global acclaim, remained rooted in simplicity and service. Number 4, power and the fragility of institutions. The strongest systems bend when individuals overuse power. Example, the emergency in India in 1975 showed how constitutional safeguards can be tested when power is centralized. Number 5, micro power and everyday ethics, from a teacher to a team leader. Power exists in daily roles. Example, a principal who empowers students reflects character. The one who suppresses dissent reveals insecurity. Majority power versus moral responsibility. In democracies, majorities hold power but must still protect the few. Example, mob injustice, online trolling reflect how collective power, when unexamined, can violate dignity. Number 7, gender, power, and new leadership models. Power also reveals societal conditioning and can challenge it. Example, Jacinda Ardern led with empathy and decisiveness, showing strength does not need aggression. Number 8, the ultimate power, self-mastery. Power over others is visible, but over self defines true greatness. Example, the Buddha walked away from royal luxuries to pursue wisdom, proving that renunciation can be the highest form of character. To conclude, you can say that adversity forges strength, but power tests purpose. The real question isn't how we behave when we are struggling, it's how we act when we can do nothing. Now think this through, write it in your own words, send it to us. We will help you refine it with feedback.